In this video I will show you how to enable new system tray in Windows 11 Dev version. See new system tray not enable. Download vivetool link below in description. Extract vivetool in C drive Windows System 32 folder. Type cmd and run as administrator. Copy the command and paste it, then press enter, then close cmd. Restart your computer. See now system tray are now enabled. To disable run cmd, copy the command and paste it, then press enter, then close cmd, restart computer. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.